Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into the video. This is Troy here. Well, some of you might not know that I live in Florida, and not on the east coast of Florida, but on the west coast. But still, in Florida, you're constantly hearing about the George Zimmerman trial. And we all know that he was found not guilty of any crime, and as well he should not have been. It was a classic self-defense case. And I do agree that he might have been stupid and done some things he shouldn't have done, but that's not against the law. Stupidity isn't against the law yet, anyway. For some people, it should be. So people going stupid, crazy, going protesting, even looting and rioting and blocking freeways. It's just ridiculous. But then to hear now on my local news tonight that they're now coming up with Facebook pages boycotting Florida, and there's like 4 or 5 of them on there when you type this in. There's some like 3 of them that are say about boycotting Florida. Some say boycott Florida for Trayvon, but this is the one with the most likes on their page. This is over 2,000. And before I go any further, there's a picture of Stevie Wonder. Some of you might know on one of his concerts live the other night. He said that he will not come to Florida or play in Florida until the Stand Your Ground law is repealed. Well, and that's what this Facebook page is asking for. Right here it says, with the announcement of not guilty, Trayvon Martin's killer, George Zimmerman, has been set free. Florida's unjust Stand Your Ground law must be repealed. Well, for all you stupid people that have brought up this website, the Stand Your Ground law was not applied in this case of the George Zimmerman trial. Now they asked for it to be applied, and if it was agreed upon, then this trial would never happen, and that would be that. So that law was not even used in this account. So I don't understand where people are coming up with this. But anyway, Stevie Wonder also, I just want to say, dude, you're old. You're in way long yesterday's news. Nobody gives a shit if you come back to Florida. So who cares about you? So there's different postings that this Facebook page has brought up. They want people to get a hold of businesses in Florida. See how they stand on this, and that if they just want to boycott businesses that don't agree with them, or just boycott Florida in general. Now, all that's going to do is they think it's going to hurt the businesses, and it could hurt the businesses. But here's the thing: I was in management at a retail company for over 25 years, and if you don't make the projected monies that you make each month, to satisfy the stockholders, things like that, usually what ends up happening is, and mainly this happens to the part-time employees, that if they start losing money, then they start cutting their hours. So, and then if it continues and it gets worse and worse, then they start laying people off or letting them go. So you're telling me for a person who was found not guilty for a jury of his peers in the United States and in Florida, that you now want to boycott Florida and businesses in Florida and stop and have people that need the money the most and make them suffer because of misguided people who bring up crap like this. The people everywhere need money, and also in Florida they need money. These part-time employees, live from paycheck to paycheck, and so you're going to affect them to where they're going to make less money because they're going to have less hours, or you're going to make it to where they don't have a job at all. So great job, everybody there who came up with these Facebook pages. And what I encourage everybody to do is what I did. I came to this Facebook page, Boycott Florida, and wrote nicely. I wasn't rude or anything like that, because there's no need for that. And I just wrote, If you boycott Florida, all it will do is affect the people that need the money the most, the employees of the places you want to boycott. Less visitors to our state means employees will cut the hours of their employers will cut the hours of their employees and possibly lay off workers. So one person is found not guilty by the jury of his, I wrote pairs, but I fixed it at the end, I wrote peers. And you want to boycott Florida and cost hardworking people to lose money and possibly their jobs. And in capital, I put good thinking on your part, not. And then I fixed wrote peers, not pairs. So I encourage everybody to go on Facebook. And like I said, I wish they had it to where you could not like this, like you can do not like a video on YouTube. And there's people on this particular Facebook page. I haven't been the others yet, but I'm going. And we need to all go here to let your friends, your family, your coworkers, everybody know that is in agreement with you and me and everybody who agrees to put our opinions on there that we don't agree with this, and that we can find out that there's more people who agree like us than that don't agree. So let's go to these Facebook pages and even websites and let them know what we think, and maybe the news might talk about that, but I doubt if they won't, because they just want to sensationalize what they want to sensationalize, and of course that's the unjust killing of Trayvon Martin, which we know is a bunch of bull crap. So that's the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you do go to any one of these Facebook pages and put your opinion down and you agree with me, just let me know that you did. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with me on the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.